So guys, it is pouring outside. It's supposed to expected the thunderstorm today. But right now it's pouring outside. Get some look on it when I get home from school. Maybe. Look at all that, everyone. I'm going around here real quick. I don't know where my slippers are, so I'm just going down here. Okay. Try not to look. The bucket has some water in there. I know they're close by. They're starting about 2 o'clock, I think. And this is the picture right here. Yeah. See, it's the downspout. Look at that downspout. Look at this big down. So look at this one over here. It's not as big as the other one over there. But so, there's a downspout. Oh, that, yeah. Yeah. Bye.